install. There's some other equipment, some gloves. Got some sugar water brush. Things are set up here. Here's the bee yard here. We got our food, got our spray, cardboard, pipe tool, brush, some marshmallows, some stick pins there. The bees are actually in here just to keep warm while we get ready. Got a mouse reducer on, some chicken wire. That's about it for right now. The queen is right here. This is sugar water. And these are cannolis, got the C on there. And we'll get them going. There's some more of the sugar water and the spray for feeding. I'm just really getting ready. Morning, it's Earth Day, 22nd of February. So April, social distancing, and so we're not doing any kind of educational component here. We're at the Westside Can Center community farm, and here's our apiary. Here we've got some top bar over there, and then we have some Langstroths here. So we're just gonna do a quick install. Basically, here's the queen. Basically, here are our bees. We have 2 in the Langs, and then 2 over there in the top bars. And so you see we got our sugar water, our spray over there. We've got our 3-pound packages with queen. We've got foundation. These are Langs pipe tools. Right here, all the equipment. Cover, some marshmallows, a brush. And we'll see how it goes. Some queen out. Doing an inspection. There she is right there. She looks okay. Beautiful. So you got some cork right here. There's no candy, so we probably can put a marshmallow out there, but she'll just go that. She'll just go out there now. I may just. She's I don't want to damage her. So
it looks like they're working their way into it. So.
Yeah, and they're not. Let's just put her right here, maybe. Let's get to her. So basically what I did was I gave her, she's exposed so that she can get fed. She's on this little thing here. And so what I'll do now is shake the bees. That's food. So I'll shake the bees over her and then close it up, and then we'll see how it goes. I'm going to do a thump.
How many bees are those? Or is it supposed to be?
3 pounds.
It's in here, right?
Yeah. Not on that thing. Just on the sides. There you go.
I said take this out.
Your hide tool in your box.
And then I take it out and put it in here.
You can put it off to the side. Cover your hole. Cover your hole. There you go. And you can put that to the side. There's it heavy. Just put it off to the side on the bottom. No. Yeah. No. Just put it over here on this.
There's bees on the
Yeah.
bottom.
No. Just put it on the side. Yep, the little silver tabs, slide it over. There you go. Shake a little bit off in with the box. Let's take a look at her. Take a look at her. Yep, she's in there crawling around. Now take out the big box and put it to the side over here.